The site is in Mangawhai. It's a really interesting view. It's very wide, very open, a lot of ocean but very distant. So you're looking across sort of rolling farmland out to the Hen and Chickens Islands. When the clients approached me, they were drawn to the site because it had that connection to the ocean, but they also liked the idea of kind of detaching into a more peaceful rural setting. We've got a kind of meandering driveway. Everything's kind of hidden from you on the way in. And then you've got the front door. And then once the front door opens, it's on access to the view. And you kind of walk through this courtyard and then you walk into the main pavilion. So it's quite dramatic. The courtyard acts as a pivot point for the home. Everything is kind of spiralled around that with the 3 pavilions and the glass links. The way the pavilions are broken up, you get this real sense of green kind of coming into the house, which the clients I know really enjoy. The main bedroom and ensuite area is very much front and centre of the home. It's very open. The ensuite is open, so you've got this lovely rural environment, so we didn't need to kind of think about privacy. Externally, the cedar is a very weathered sort of driftwoody colour, which has sort of over time been greyed out by the sun. Internally, same material, same boards, but a little warmer in colour. Something that I really like about the home is the 2-island kitchen, which was really brought about by the clients and their love of cooking. And we've sort of split this island and wrapped it around the corners, so when you're cooking, you've got that access to the view. I think the thing that's successful about this house is that there's so many different view aspects to it, and it doesn't sort of matter where you go, you get a framed aspect. And they're all kind of equally beautiful but very different.